grilled cheese. We take one piece at a time, cut the edges off. Here Chef Ethan, he'll show you. Open a cheese, and meanwhile we're frying one bread, flipping. And here Chef Ethan will show you how to place cheese on the bread and make a grilled cheese. Very good. Let's check on this bread so it doesn't burn.
I got the cheese already.
Alright. Okay.
Cheese.
Okay. Put the cheese on the top. Ah, that's not straight. Need to put straight, man.
You put it straight?
Okay, let's correct that little piece of cheese. Alright, now it's beautiful. What do we do next?
We need a little piece of cut.
Oh, need to cut. Very good, very good. Very good.
One more piece of
Okay, put on the top. We're putting on the top the second piece. And now we're going to flip. Flip the whole thing.
Now I'm going to... Mama, is there any more macaroni? Oh, man! Mama,
What happened?
There's only one dish in there. Can you get me a big pretty plate? Let me show you. The ones up there.
Which one?
That one up there. Next to the colorful plates.
Halloween?
No?
This one?
Yeah.
Wow. Big boy wants a big blade. Okay. And we check on grilled cheese here. I think it's all done. Turn it off. Okay, you want to cut in triangles?
Yes.
Alright. Back to the cutting board.
Kind of hot.
Hot, very hot. Cut in triangles.
Mama, how do you cut in triangles?
How you cut in triangles? Okay, let's do it together. We'll do this together.
Mama.
Triangles with a big plate.
Okay, so
1 second. Oh, you taking this? Okay, go,
Yes.
go, go.
see.
Big plate.
Now I
A
need
big
to go-
boy.
Now I need to go wash my hands.
All right. So it's all done?
Yes.
Thank you. Buon appetito.
Who's that?
Give me a big smile. Ethan.
Cheese.
Cheers.